Hello, welcome to our YouTube channel Tech. This video is about a new VertexFx expert advisor called Move_Cross. Download this expert from website www.vstore.co. After downloading, save it in the local VTL scripts folder of VertexFx trading terminal. The local VTL scripts folder is located /program data /VertexFx client terminals /VTL10 local VTL scripts. The same path is also displayed on the screen. Or you can install it directly from the VertexFx trading terminal from VStore tab. After downloading, the expert will be available at VTL local scripts node. The Move_Cross is a powerful VertexFx client-side expert advisor that identifies and trades in cyclical as well as trending markets. One of the advantages of this expert advisor is that it distinguishes both trending and cyclical markets and hence has a higher success rate. Since it knows when the market transitions from sideways to trending and vice versa and protects profits appropriately. The concept behind the Move_Cross expert advisor is using RAVI indicator, that is, Rapid Adaptive Variance Indicator, in conjunction with break of the high and low of the recent bars. It uses multiple time frames, namely daily, hourly and 1 minute. The EA follows certain rules which are as follows. Entry rules for buy or long positions. Rule number 1: buy trades are disallowed before Monday 7 a.m. Rule number 2: if a buy position is already open, the rules for buy entry are not checked. Rule number 3: if a sell position is already open and a buy signal is generated, then the sell position is closed first and then the buy trade is opened. Rule number 4: in the first step, we calculate the RAVI of 2 and 24 period simple moving average, SMA, of the open price on H1 period. If this value is less than 0, a weightage of 10 is assigned. Rule number 5: in the second step, if the high of the previous candle and 2 candles ago on the hourly chart is greater than the current bid plus 5 pips, then the weightage is increased by 7. Rule number 6: on the 1-minute chart, if the high of the candle is greater the current bid plus 5 pips, then the weightage is decreased by 50. This step is repeated for the recent 12 1-minute candles. Rule number 7: if the close of the previous 1-minute candle is greater than the current bid plus 5 pips, then the weightage is increased by 50. Rule number 8: if the high of any of the recent 14 hourly bars is greater than current bid plus 45 pips, then the weightage is reduced by 50. Rule number 9: finally, if the weightage is greater than 50, then a buy signal is triggered. Entry rules for sell or short position. Rule number 1: sell trades are disallowed before Monday 7 a.m. Rule number 2: if a buy position is already open and a sell signal is generated, then the buy position is closed first and then the sell trade is opened. Rule number 3: in the first step, we calculate the RAVI of 2 and 24 period simple moving average, SMA, of the open price on H1 period. If this value is greater than 0, a weightage of 10 is assigned. Rule number 4: in the second step, if the low of the previous candle and 2 candles ago on the hourly chart is lesser than the current ask minus 5 pips, then the weightage is increased by 7. Rule number 5: on the 1-minute chart, if the low of the candle is lesser the current ask minus 5 pips, then the weightage is decreased by 50. This step is repeated for the recent 12 1-minute candles. Rule number 6: if the close of the previous 1-minute candle is lesser than the current ask minus 5 pips, then the weightage is increased by 50. Rule number 7: if the low of any of the recent 14 hourly bars is lesser than current ask minus 45 pips, then the weightage is reduced by 50. Rule number 8: finally, if the weightage is greater than 50, then a sell signal is triggered. Exit conditions for the EA. Condition number 1: a trade is closed when the stop loss is hit if the parameter stop loss is configured. Condition number 2: a trade is closed when the take profit is reached if the parameter take profit is configured. Condition number 3: a trade is closed when the trailing stop loss is hit if the parameter used trailing stop is configured. Condition number 4, an open buy trade is closed if an opposite sell signal is triggered. Likewise, an open sell trade is closed if an opposite buy signal is triggered. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel Sci Tech for more VTL indicators and expert advisors. Have a nice day.